Today is a get done type of day. Not even gonna concentrate on you. Hope that was focused. I gotta get done. What's going on, everyone? My name is Jordan with Exotic Whips. If you are new to the channel, thank you very much for viewing. Smash the subscribe button down below if you smash the subscribe button down below. Why wouldn't you? I know you subscribe to channels that you don't watch, so smash this one. Anyways, you are currently resting on the hood of my E36 M3, which I'm just gonna knock out a bunch of stuff to today. It's my project car. I've done a lot of stuff to it so far. I think today I'm going to continue to finish up on the interior. I'm gonna replace the seat belts today. I'm gonna take the B panels that the seat belts sit kind of behind or in front of. You'll see what I mean. I have to replace those anyway, so those might come out in chunks because they're really nasty. So I'm gonna put those seat belts in. I think I'm gonna try and button up the front of the car because I have this all kind of taken apart. I'm waiting to replace the headlights. I think I may do the door panels today, I'm not sure. But my goal is to try and get as much done to this today as possible because I really want to start driving it more because I've spent zero seat time behind this thing. So I have no idea what's wrong with it mechanically. I know power steering is definitely leaking. I ordered a couple hoses for that because I'm going to replace the minimal amount because I'm also going to do a motor swap on this. So I don't want to put too much into the pieces that are part of this engine right now. I don't know if they'll swap over power steering and stuff. But anyway, we can talk about that when they get to that. So anyway, I'm going to try and knock out as much as I can to this today. And yeah, check it out. I'll walk you through most of this. Those right there are the B pillars. And they are bad. First step is to get those B pillars off, get those old seat belts out so I can put in these fancy smancy red guys. Let's do it. Oh, fits. So I have some needle nose here. I'm going to try and just remove this little plastic piece in here. Oh yeah, there we go. So that just pulls out. So then you can access the Torx. And yeah, sure enough, it is a T50. Alright. Look at that. Bray, I didn't even text you, man. I was about to text you, but I thought, I'm going to try this one on my own. I'm gonna wait to wrap up this install. I'm just gonna put this back on here so I don't forget it. And then this just slides up, we'll attach to that. I'll put this new B pillar in when I get it. Easy. Let's start on that side. Oops. That was supposed to go over the... My bad. Alright, one thing knocked out. Let me show you guys. Got the seatbelt in. Now again, I'm waiting on this B pillar, so I can't put the seatbelt, I can't mount it to that bolt right there. So once I get that B pillar, then I can finish mounting those, but that's all super simple. This side done. Ooh, I know what to do. One sec. Time to unbox this guy. Bam! New front lip. Yeah, just new car parts, man. Especially new front lips. It's so nice. No scuff marks, no nothing. Alright, I'm gonna throw this in. Come on. front lip installed, good to go. Wish I could show you more of it, but it looks good. Alright, I think now is lunch break time. Okay, now that I have the front lip on and my belly's full like tacos, I think what I'm gonna do is button up this. On both sides here, I have the fender covers off, or the wheel well liners. I'm gonna button those up, and then I think I might put the wheels on and get this bad boy on the road. I need to register it. Anyway, let's do that. My camera died, but not all is lost. Got the fender liner put back in and buttoned up the front bumper, so that is all good. Now just waiting on the headlight adapters so I can put those in. Totally forgot. Still have to put my bulbs in my headlights. So I'm gonna take care of that now. Since these are the Euro spec headlights, they take different bulbs. They take these Osram H1s. I just got a bunch of these. I believe that'll work for these headlights for both the brights and the dims. So yeah, I'm gonna put these in the headlights right now. Ooh, progress being made, boys. Progress being made. Let me show you this if I haven't. Whoa, slowest focus in years. The Euro headlights, the clear sides, the yellow fogs. Okay. Yes, yes, yes. So I think my next thing I want to attack here is, obviously I have to wait. You saw I put these seat belts in, but I have to wait for the B pillars to come so I can mount the seat belt up there where it needs to be, right there. So gotta wait for that. Once those come in, then I can mount the seat belts up. And I'm also waiting on the headlight adapter since I went to the Euro headlights. I'm waiting on the adapters to make it so that the US harness plays nicely with the Euro headlights. So, waiting on that. And actually my good friend, he's making these, but he's making them to an OEM quality. I'm not sure, he may actually start producing these, so I'll let you know. I'll keep you posted on that if he does, because if he does, they would be much, much better than the other alternatives out there for these type of adapters. So I'll keep you posted on that, because that would be awesome if he did that. I'm trying to talk him into it. If you watch this, you know I'm trying to talk you into it. Got the headlights wrapped up, got the seat belts wrapped up, got the fender liners wrapped up. Honestly, I think my next thing to do is, I may try and tackle the steering wheel in the next episode. I think I'm going to get new speakers for the door cards. Since they're out, I might as well. I mean, those little tweeter style speakers are cheap. So, and then I may install the head unit, because guys have been asking me about that. And then besides that, I may do the steering wheel, but then I'm gonna get this thing out on the road. I do know for sure I have a massive power steering fluid leak. So I bought power steering hoses to replace that, so that'll be probably the first mechanical thing I do to this. So once I get that in, I'm going to replace those hoses, make sure I'm not spewing power steering fluid all over the place, and then get this thing out on the road and actually start beating on it a little bit. I'll probably change the oil and stuff like that as well, even though I don't, maybe not. I don't care about this engine. But anyway, plan of attack is to get this thing up on the road and moving so we can start doing all the performance parts. So anyway guys, if you're new, smash the subscribe button. I appreciate you guys viewing, it means a ton. Stay tuned for more M3 content, more R8 content. I'll see you guys soon. Cheers.